guys, it's Cora. Does this look like somewhere you would like to play? Watch to see where we're at. Peeking from behind those trees is a really fun park. World's Fair Park. There's a lot to see and do here, and it's free. You can fly high with the birds. Not high enough for you? Ride the elevator up into the Sunsphere. For views like this. Your family should bring a picnic. There's lots of beautiful spots to hang out. See that amphitheater? You can be the star of the stage. But what I really want to share with you is these epic fountains. I had a blast. No pun intended. World's Fair Park also has a great playground. It was raining while we were there, but it didn't matter. I was already wet from the fountains. There's a festival on for special events in the East Tennessee Veterans Memorial. Your family will love spending the whole afternoon at World's Fair Park.